First, let's get to that radar. Wide view is going to show you two components to this precipitation. First, coming in out of the Gulf of Mexico, some streamer showers that are starting up around Brownsville up to about Corpus Christi. And then you can see the storms that are rolling in from Del Rio, from west to east. That's part of an upper level disturbance that we're getting today only. But that sea breeze shower activity from Brownsville up to Corpus Christi, that's what could be continuing in the days to come in this very wet atmosphere. And because of that, we're going to have a little bit more drizzle to deal with beyond today. But these storms, they did get a little bit ferocious around Valverde and Kinney counties. About a 20-minute long severe thunderstorm warning was issued because of the hail north of Del Rio near Lake Amistad. Now, as this storm moves east, it's starting to collapse a little bit. Let's get in tight, show you what's happening. It's right along Highway 90 between Brackettville and Uvalde. And this storm is pretty powerful. Penny-size hail being reported from the National Weather Service right now. Here we're looking at it from the Brackettville radar site. You can see the dome right there. And for the most part, it's not looking too intense right now. It's very heavy rainfall that's going to be moving into Uvalde over the next few minutes. Now, I want to take a look at the hail tracker. Two spots that are producing hail in the, center of those cells. And right now it's about pea size, penny size on one of the reports from the National Weather Service as well. Not large enough for a warning, but something to keep an eye on for sure, because sometimes these storms like to pulse. What that means is that they soup up and get pretty intense, and then they power down for a minute, but then they soup right back up. That can happen. It's already produced some hail, so we're going to watch if that happens again. Socked in at San Antonio International. I mean, look at the cloud cover, 66 with the light rain falling. Speaking of visibility, 1 mile at Lackland, 1.25 miles at San Antonio International, 2 miles at Randolph and up I-35. So this is definitely going to affect the Tuesday commute. We'll check in with Alana in just a moment. Moving forward, though, most of the rain is going to be light. I mean, even though those storms are out there to the west, they're expected to weaken as they move farther to the east. We've got a cap of warm air on top of us. That'll usually diminish these storms quickly. And as we get into Wednesday, you can see that we're not expecting much rain. We could get a little bit more of that drizzle, though. We're in a pretty quiet weather pattern in the upper levels until next week. Take a look at that big dip. That's coming in Saturday, Sunday. That huge dip in the upper levels means an area of low pressure and an improving chance of rain. In fact, what's really improved, the 7-day rain outlook, we're starting to see some blues, and that's a really good sign. That means 1 inch to 1.5 inches. From San Antonio across the Texas Hill Country, this is right on target for the Edwards Aquifer. We should see a nice boost if this lives out to be true. I mean, look how humid it's going to be. We've got a lot of water in the air all of this week, and it's not until that weekend system that we're going to start seeing the dew points drop. And that weekend system is really going to start on Sunday, but heading into Monday, those are some really good rain chances, and we need every drop we can get. Stage 2 water restrictions now, and I'll tell you, we definitely need rain in some exceptional drought areas. Here's a look at Wednesday. The rain chance will be again light early at 20%. We should keep most of tomorrow dry up to about 86 with only a few scattered showers early, but a pretty good breeze out of the southeast. Again, keeping us awfully humid, and we've got several days of breezy conditions. All right, 7-day forecast, morning clouds and then breezy. We'll get a little bit of afternoon sun, 86 on Thursday, maybe a degree or two warmer, 87s through Friday. And then over the weekend, upper 80s with the rain chances beginning Sunday, but getting a lot better by Monday and Monday night. These could be some showers and thunderstorms that we desperately need. All right, Alana, we've got some wet roads, some low visibility. I mean, it's a foggy, kind of soupy Tuesday commute.